Good morning. Not so good morning to me, but we have two news, good news and bad news. I will talk about the good news first because I know if I talk about the bad news, we're done. I won't even think about talking about the good news. So we hit 5,000 followers, uh, which is not a small thing for me, especially. I started with zero and I not share my account to any of my friends. It's all my own hard work. So I'm really proud that it hit 5,000 and we'll save the cake for 10,000. I also put this on my channel, Studio 14, in my Instagram channel. So, account. If it's very confusing, this is my Instagram account and this is my channel. Okay, that's it. So, I was so happy that I finally made it. Like, even making 5,000 followers is not that easy. You have to be really consistent, you have to work hard, you have to, it's not easy, guys. I genuinely think that. So thank you, universe, thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me and who's come from Instagram to my YouTube. Genuinely thank you from my whole heart. So now, yeah, I think that's all. Nothing much about it. I not upload a YouTube video yesterday and I'll tell you why. So basically, I was really happy about this Instagram. I had a thought that maybe we can make a video on that yesterday. But yesterday I get a mail saying, "Hey, is this your LinkedIn account? I think it's compromised." We got this message. I froze. I blanked out so bad. I can't even tell you how bad. I just blanked out. So I open my LinkedIn and I don't see any suspicious thing that's happening on my LinkedIn. I check my account. There's no post that's done or anything because the same day that I got that email, that is yesterday, I opened my LinkedIn. I saw some post. It was really good about marketing. So I'm studying MBA in marketing and finance. So I thought that post was really good. And LinkedIn is basically your career. It's your portfolio. It's your career portfolio. If I have to give it in words. So I reposted it and there was no suspicious activity. I go to my messages. I see no suspicious activity. Then there is a small line where there are people's photos and they're like these messages. It's like they have okay, first of all I'll tell you how my account got compromised. I am looking for jobs. A lot of people here might be looking for jobs on LinkedIn who needs to see this absolutely because they are targeting people who are looking for jobs using their accounts, compromising their accounts gets compromised. So how what happens is they'll basically send you a message saying, we are looking for this role, whatever role you are looking for is the role they'll send you. So they had sent me this message. I have the message. I also made a post on my LinkedIn after that. So I'll tell you completely. So I got this message from two people. So I thought maybe the company is really interested in me. What will I know that they are hackers, bro? I genuinely didn't know. So I saw one message, and then it was a girl's message, a girl who had messaged me that thing, and a guy had messaged me that thing. um I don't trust guys, so I opened the girls one and then I clicked. But whatever happened on both the accounts, this account had a different company name and this account had a different company name, but the message was same. It was copy pasted. What had happened to my brain? Why didn't I know that it was a scam? So I opened the girls one and then I clicked on that. It did not open, so I just left it. I opened on this guy's one. I clicked on that. I tried installing that uh, whatever document, or first of all they had one Google form. How smart of scammers, they had one Google form. I filled that Google form, then I went to that place where they said download here for the salary details and hours and all of that. I installed that and I'm trying to open that. It's not opening. It's a zip file. You unzip it. After you unzip it, you open the file. It's not opening, guys. It's not opening. I should have understood. So I thought maybe there's some glitch. So yeah, I basically opened that and it's not opening. And then I opened on my laptop. How smart of me. I opened on my laptop. I downloaded that file on my laptop. I filled the form. What should I do to myself? And as soon as I did that, I get a LinkedIn message from the girl who had sent me that saying, "Please don't download any of this. My account was compromised. And I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you." What shall I do? I just downloaded it. I immediately removed it. I immediately deleted it from my recycle bin everywhere. I cleared a lot of things. I deleted it from my phone also. Thank God I at least did that. But it was too late. My account was already compromised and I didn't know that. I thought, oh, I deleted it. Everything is going to be fine. Nothing will happen. That's it. And I went back to my normal life for 3 days almost. I did not use my LinkedIn properly because Instagram success. I was so happy. I was so overwhelmed. I not even look at this path. So even if I did, I did not know that my account was compromised, and I'll tell you how. Wait. Okay, so this thing was. I was so happy and everything. I was only in Instagram. I didn't even think of LinkedIn. And yesterday when I got I opened those messages. I'm scrolling. Thousands of people have got that message. Now, what if they all download that file? All of their accounts are getting compromised. The message that I got from somebody else's account was also compromised, and that is how I got the message. Now, to give you a context, on LinkedIn, I have 9,000 followers, which I should be happy about. But look at me, I'm not. Why? Because what if so many people had already gotten those messages? Imagine if I just left one more day, they would send for 1,000 more people. I tried sending message to everybody that had replied to their message who had sent that the scammer's message. I said, kindly ignore the previous message. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. My account was glitched slash compromised. I sent this to a lot of people and then I deleted all the messages. I deleted all the messages. I cannot delete it both the ways. It's not like Instagram. So I could not delete it both the ways. I just deleted for me. They were so smart. First of all, I don't on notification for any of my social media because I need some peace of mind, which is a good thing and a bad thing, which I just knew. But they were even smarter. What they did was, as soon as they send the message, I don't know if it was a bot or something. As soon as I send the message, they used to mute those people. So even if I had my notifications on, I wouldn't know. Why? Because first of all, they're muted. Second of all, they're in a different folder. They're not even on my messaging like main messaging place. They have saved all of those into other folder. So I won't even get those notifications. I won't even find those people. Only when I saw that thing that came above. So if you go to your messaging on LinkedIn, you can categorize into spam, focused, uh, other, and something else. In the other place, they had put all this. I freaked out. Like, what am I supposed to do? I sent messages as much as possible because somebody sent me, and that is how I got to know that it was scam. So I helped as many people as I could. Somebody even said, "Oh my god, I just downloaded the file. What am I supposed to do?" I said, "Delete them. Please change your password. Please turn on two-factor verification," which I did not do. I did not even turn on two-factor verification on my LinkedIn. So I thought LinkedIn is chill, bro. Nobody scams you like that. It's a very professional platform. And look what happened to me. I swear to God, I have thought about this. I've thought about deleting my LinkedIn. So many hours into LinkedIn, so many hours into making that post, making my career better. It's basically like a portfolio for you. If you're a working professional or if you're somebody who's looking for a job after your studies, it's a very professional platform for you. And I was building my own personal brand. and I thought of deleting that, the entire thing. Imagine how it was so bad. It was so bad. Just be very careful. If any of those messages come, please don't believe it. Please verify their profile before doing that. I was so stupid. I didn't even open their profile and check if they were a real working professional. I just downloaded it. So next time, if anything happens to you on LinkedIn, be very careful. Just take a screenshot, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT if this is a genuine message. Because I saw one post that said the same thing happened to them as well, and that is when I thought, I have 9,000 followers, I just cannot leave it like that, and I have to make a post regarding this. And I made a post immediately. As soon as I changed my password, I turned on my two factor verification, I deleted those messages, I helped as many people as I could. I couldn't, sorry, storage problems, but I genuinely couldn't text all of them. I wish I could, but there were a lot of messages. And so I tried posting on my account saying my account was compromised, and if you're somebody who's looking to, like, open, if you're somebody who's put open to work in your profile, you have to see this message. And I put a long message saying please don't do that. I also attached the photos where that sent, please look into these profiles, and somebody said me that this is a malware, please don't do this. I tried doing everything I could, but I genuinely cannot believe why I did this. Okay, on the other hand, I'm also about to hit 10,000 on my LinkedIn, but there's a twist to this. I opened my LinkedIn today and my account was logged out. I freaked out again. I thought probably it's compromised again, or like ChatGPT told me, it is probably temporarily closed because of the unusual activity that has happened on my account. So it turned out to be temporarily restricted to me. Thank God, at least that was fine. I tried doing everything. It asked me for my identity, it asked me for my PAN card or driver's license or whatever. It asked me, and I gave everything, and it said your account might be restored in 48 hours or might take up to 5 days. So I still don't know if I will have my LinkedIn account back. Um, to all the hard work that I've done for that account, it hurts so much. But okay, it's a part of life. I will let you all know if my account is back. But we are 5,000 plus on Instagram. Please turn on two factor verification and turn on your notification. Please keep checking your accounts. I know if you're a working professional, LinkedIn is everything for you. So I just want you to be really careful. um, when I went to my friend's home, I think you might have seen this video. I went to my friend's home, and my friend's dad asked me, what are you doing? So I said, MBA, and I casually also said that I do content creation, uncle. So he said, please be very careful. Probably that was a sign. I was like, yeah, uncle, nothing, I'll take care and stuff like that. But the world is never becoming better, it's always becoming worse. So this is probably your sign. Take care before anything else happens to you. uh, Turn on two factor verification, or verify your Google accounts, and help somebody if you can. Share this video with somebody if you can. Probably it will be a wake up call for them. To update your password, please update your password and make sure you also know your password. And please don't give silly passwords that is very easy to hack. uh, Please keep something else. If your name is Sanjana, don't keep Sanjana at 123, which is very easy to hack. So also I have a computer background, so this is why I'm saying this. So I hope everything gets better soon and my account recovers. I get back my account and I will definitely not take anything for granted. I will save my account. I will take care of them. I'll protect them. And yeah, I'll never stop doing content because that is who I am. That's my identity now. Um, if anything that I could do is help you all not get into that trouble, so please share this video as much as you can. There are LinkedIn scams happening, there are Instagram scams happening. Don't scan any QR codes, don't click on the links, don't do all of this, which is very stupid. But yeah, have a safe digital life. That's it. Bye. And if you know any way how I can save my account, please comment down below. It would be really helpful. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all I've got to say. Good news, bad news. Bad news over to good news. So I'm not in the mood to celebrate. We'll probably save the cake for 10,000, like I said, before even knowing all of this. So when I hit 10K, I'll make one of these videos where I'll tell I overcame all of it. Have you heard this song? You were just a kid when they told you you've been born to bleed. Little soldier, oh, it took your heart. And a man of boulder, oh, you pulled you down. But look at you, you made it out. I'll sing that song when all of this is done. So yeah, little soldier, you'll overcome it. That's it. Everything is going to be fine. God is going to take care of everything. I'm so grateful to God. He made me notice, put the message by, like, somebody else mailed me and I got to know about this, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you so much. And I hope God takes care of the rest and saves me and my accounts, and gives me more strength to make more such content for you all. Hopefully you all like it. I don't genuinely care if I have two views on this video or thousand millions of views. It'll still be the same for me. It's just me helping somebody else who helped me, uh, if that makes sense. You have somehow helped me, probably now or in previous generations or anywhere, but I want to help you like this. So if this could help anybody, please share this video with them. And if you can help me get back my account, please help me. So let's help each other and grow together. That's it. Pray for me, guys. I hope my account comes back. I've really put a lot of hard work into this. Bye.